Hello everyone, my name is Kirill. You are on the AutoAdviser channel. I happen to be thinking about why a gearbox is needed. Do you know the correct answer? Guys, there's a thing. Most of the views on our channel are from the people who are not subscribed. So pay attention. There is a red button. Click on it so that it turns gray. And don't forget about the bell. And so, why do we need a gearbox? I asked this question to all my colleagues, all my friends, and collected a list of top answers. Let's look at it. The first option, the gearbox is needed in order to change gears. But this is too simple, the same as saying that the gas pedal is needed in order to press it. The second option, the gearbox is needed in order to drive at different speeds. And the third top answer is in order to change the torque. These answers seem to be not totally wrong, but they answer the question of what the gearbox does. And I ask, why it is needed, what is the initial reason for it, why you can't operate your car without it. And finally, the fourth top answer, the gearbox is needed in order to change the engine power. But no gearbox can ever increase the engine power. The correct answer to this question consists of literally 5 words. Let's slowly answer it together. Depending on type of engine, the rotation speed varies from about 1,000 revolutions per minute to 6,000 revolutions per minute, which means that the engine can change its rotation speed only by 6 times. If we connect our engine directly to the wheels through some kind of a gearbox in such a way that at 1,000 revolutions per minute the car moves at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, then at 6,000 revolutions per minute its speed should increase 6 times. Therefore, 5 times 6 is only 30 kilometers per hour. If we lived in the past, about 150 years ago, this would be enough. But nowadays, cars can drive at speed at least from 5 to 180 kilometers per hour, and the speed changes by as much as 35 times, and not just 6. Well, this is the essence of the problem. If the engine can change the speed only 6 times, it's not enough. We need to change it by approximately 35 times. This is exactly what the gearbox is for. The gearbox is needed to increase the speed range of the engine. Although, if the engine could run from 1,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, then maybe it would not be needed. The most observant of you probably noticed that we missed one important point. The gearbox is also necessary in order to be able to move in reverse, since the engine rotates in only one direction. So what does the minimal number of gears depend on? It depends on the speed range of the car. If the car moves up to 70 kilometers per hour, then about 4 gears are enough for it. For example, road construction equipment cars have only 3 gears, since their speed is not more than 30 kilometers per hour. A minimum number of gears for modern cars is 5, but there are cars, as you know, that have 6, 7, and even 8 gears. So why do manufacturers mainly produce 5-speed gearboxes? Although 6, 7, and 8 are better. But the answer is simple. They are cheaper. The most ideal option in terms of efficiency and acceleration is a box with an infinite number of gears. And such gearbox actually exists. It is called a CVT. By the way, for those who are interested, we have a detailed video about this on our channel. The link will be in the description. Remember, I told you that the number of gears depends on the speed range of the car. But for special equipment like trucks, road construction cars, and so on, the power range is also taken into account. What effort the car must develop at different speeds. And so that's all that I wanted to say. I hope you understand why a gearbox is needed, and now you can ask your friends and maybe educate them on this topic. because, well, almost no one will answer correctly. This was the AutoAdviser channel. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. All the best to you, and see you again.